CukeHub Overview screencast. I am currently on the CukeHub.com landing page. Here you'll see the fourth Amigo. CukeHub allows you to search for coverage, manually test kukes, and also monitor some performance. If we click the About link here, it'll show what is a cuke, cucumber scenario, the fourth Amigo. It is a run repository that keeps all Amigos engaged with your cucumber scenarios. If you're new to BDD and the three Amigos, you can read a little bit more up on that. CukeHub allows you to collaborate and share results with your team members, product, dev, test. Get notified when and where you want of failing kukes, and it allows you to search and drill down into certain coverage based on kuke tags. So to get started, feel free to sign up here and create a new user. I will do a manual tester, and I use Ruby, and add your email and wherever you're at, and then click the join the sample app if you want to just click around and get used to CukeHub and see how it works before you start your own. You can do that and click sign up. So that brings you here into the apps page, which shows the sample app we signed up for. You can edit the app and find things like the CukeHub or your API key for your cucumber results to be sent up from your machines to the cloud in CukeHub. It shows you how many kukes you have at the moment. You can visit and create test builds. We'll get into that in a little bit. You can invite other team members to this app. You can view browser stats and or how often kukes are running and things like that at the stats page, and then a quick link to all the kukes. But first, before we do that, there's also the test activity, which shows how long ago somebody tested this app, either a machine or a person. It shows you untested, meaning manual or pending and undefined cucumber scenarios. Tested will be ones that were ran by a machine, either pass or fail, and they'll show up here under tested. So let's go back to view all the kukes. So in here we can see we're 40% automated, so we have 3 manual, and which comes from the 3 manual and the 2 passing. We can search for kuke by, say, terms, and that'll bring back the single kuke. Or we can also search by tags. So if we wanted search by @Twitter, oops, it'll bring that back. It also shows recent runs. The last 4 runs, it showed it failed in Safari about 33 minutes ago. You can see the browser coverage. You can delete all your this kuke here and all your run history if you like. And then when you rerun the tests from the automated suite, it'll just repopulate. You can see who tested last. It looks like my machine, my MacBook Pro. There's these quick links to just see manual and passed or all. If there were failed scenarios, they would show up a failed link here. So let's get started into a test build. Looks like we ran Chrome 7 minutes ago, so I'm gonna test the remaining 3 pending scenarios in Chrome. So I'll build, and we'll do 2. Can't type. And just save the test build. So now that captures all those scenarios, the 5 kukes. It started on today, and it's at 40%. So when I click into the build, this is nice because I can pass this link to other team members who can help me go through these test scenarios. So let's just do one quick, for example, and I'll bring up the page. So I have an unauthenticated user, so I'm not signed in. I visit the landing page, which we're on. I visit the About section here. I scroll down to the bottom of the page, and this is just our Gherkin feature scenario. visit Cook Twitter page from the Twitter icon here, and I should see the latest tweets from Cook. Yep. So right now our test pass in Chrome, I'm on OS X, but we could do other builds like Internet Explorer, other OSs. I'm going to pass it for Chrome OS X. So what that does is it moves it out of pending and down into tested. So if we go back to the apps page, oops, and we'll see we're 60% tested now and 40% right now. There's only 2 left. And if we view those kooks again, we should see my username next to it is passed. So I'll just go quickly through the rest, and I need to go into the build and just pass these. And so now everything's tested 100%, and it shows some information of who's been testing recently. And again, of course, the apps should be untested 0 and 100% tested. There's the other links where you can sign up for notifications, so I can turn off all notifications of failures, or every time a test fails, or when it's back-to-back failures. There's some API documentation, some Medium posts if you want to go read up on those, the Ruby gem that it works with, information, and that's it. Thanks for watching.